Okay guys, so we are going to remove element from the linked list. So here I have problem number 203 and linked list is 123. So we want to remove 2 from here. Okay. So after adding dummy, linked list look like this: 0, arrow 1, arrow 2, arrow 3. Okay. 0 to 3. If you have dummy inside the linked list, then it will become 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So here I am going to write code that is first of all, I'm going to create class is solution. Okay, here inside this class I'm going to create one function that remove element. Remove element. Here I'm going to pass self comma head comma value. Okay, and here dummy equals to list node 0. Okay, so dummy equals to this one, first node, that is 0. Okay, and after this I am going to write another variable that is dummy dot next equals to head. Okay, so what is the dummy dot next? That is 1. So 1 is the head. Okay, so here 1 is the head. Okay, I think I should be maximize this. Okay, now it is fine. Now you can see dummy dot next equals to head means first element. Then I am going to create another variable that is current. So current equals to dummy. Okay, so current equals to dummy, that is 0. Okay, so here after this uh, uh, I have everything like dummy equals to list node, that is 0. Okay, and inside this I have head, that is 1, and current equals to dummy, that is also 0. Okay, so here you can see I have current node, that is 0 dummy, and current dot next value, that is 1. Okay, so you can see current is 0 and current dot next element of the current, that is 1. Okay, 1 here. After this current I got 1. Current dot next, in current dot next I got 1. Okay, so current dot next dot value is value, so that is 1. So to be equals to value, that is that we want to remove, we need to check this condition here. Okay, so current dot next equals current dot next dot value means 1. This one is equals to 2. 2 we want to remove, okay, from linked list. Okay, so no, these are not equal. Then we move on else condition and we don't need to change. Okay, and we forward to the we will go to the 2, that is current dot next dot sorry current, this element is current dot next. Okay, okay, so I'm going to write code, everything will be understand by you. Okay, so here I'm going to write code by using while condition. While current current dot next. So what we have in current dot next, that is 1. Okay, we have element in current dot next. Okay, so if current dot next dot value is equals to value, it's mean what we have in current dot next 1. I'm going to compare this current dot next value, that is equals to value that we want to remove. Okay, we want to remove 2 from linked list. Okay, so 1 dot value. Okay, so current dot next means 1 dot value is equals to value. It's mean 1 is equals to 2. No, this is false. Okay, if both are equal, If both are equal, then we need to execute this condition. Current dot next equals to current dot next. Okay, so we need to skip this condition because both are not equal here. Okay, one is not equal to 2. So now we moved on else condition. Okay, so here else equals to, in this else condition, okay, because both are not equal, so we move in else condition, we don't need to change. Okay, so I'm going to move the pointer. So current equals to current dot next equals to now at 1. Okay, so here current equals to current dot next. So current equals to current dot next, move now at 1. Current equals to current dot next, move now at 1. Okay, so previously I have current equals to 0, but current dot next equals to 1. Now this current dot next will become our current. Okay guys, so now 1 will become our current here, current element. Okay, previously I have 0. Okay, so here after fulfill every condition, it will return dummy dot next. Okay, so we move in second condition. Okay, here current equals to 1. Okay, now here you can see after 0, I have current equals to 1. Okay, and current dot next, what we have? We have 2 inside the current dot next. Okay, now in second condition, because I'm going to use while loop. Okay, so current dot next, that is 2. Current element is 1 now, and current dot next, what we have? 2. Okay, so I'm going to check this, current dot next equals to 2. Okay, so here I'm going to check again that this 2 is equals to the current dot next dot value. 2 is our next element, so this 2 is equals to 2. Yes, this condition is true. Okay, then we need to execute this condition. Current dot next equals to, okay, both are equal, so I'm going to delete this node. Okay, this node. So because we have 2 equals to 2, so here 1 dot next equals to 3. So I move directly from, after removing this, how can we remove this? Okay, so current dot next current, so now current equals to what? So I have current equals to, so I here current equals to current dot next equals to 1. I have here. Okay, so here 1 dot next, here you can see 1 dot next equals to 3. Okay, 1 dot next equals to 3. So current dot next means 1 dot next equals to 3. Okay, because current dot next equals to 1. Okay, and current dot next, actually you can see here I have 1. So this is the current dot next is 2 and next is 3. Okay, so we moved just on 3. Okay, so 2 will automatically remove by moving like this, 1 dot next dot 3. Okay, so after this 1 will connect directly to the 3. Okay, then current state same. Okay, here current hours, now current dot next is state set, sorry, state same. Okay, now 1 is our current. Okay, now current dot next will become 3. Okay, because 1 directly jump on 3 with the help of current dot next. Current dot next element is 2, but we jump with current dot next dot next. Okay, so now we are 1 equals to current element and current dot next equals to 3. Okay, we are going to check here. 1 equals to 3 here. Sorry, 3 is equals to 2. No, we are going to check here. Okay, so we don't need to execute this condition. Okay, this condition we move here. Now current equals to current dot next. So 3 is the, sorry, 1 is the current element. Now current will become current equals to current dot next. Now at 3. So after 1 what we have? After 1 I have 3 because I already delete 2. Okay, so current equals to current dot next, that is 3. Okay, now our current will become 3. Okay, so after 3 we don't have any element. Okay, so now loop is stop. Okay, stop and it will return element. This is a 1 and 3. Okay, after node 2 is removed, I got 1 and 3. Dummy dot next point to the 1. Okay guys, I hope you got it. Okay guys, so here I'm going to explain again. This is the class, this is the function name. Okay, I have had inside this as a parameter and value as a parameter. Okay, here I'm going to create variable that is dummy, and dummy dot next equals to head, dummy equals to 0 and current equals to dummy. Okay, if you have element inside the current, so you need to use while loop. So current dot next, so next element is our 1. Start with 1. We need to check that 1 is equals to 2. No, because we want to remove 2 from linked list. Okay, so here if it is not true, then you will need to move here. So current equals to current dot next equals to what? In first term 1. Okay, because we have current equals to 0. So current dot next equals to 1 here. Okay, similarly you need to take like current equals to now 1. So you need to check that 1 is equals to 2. Okay, in second step I have current equals to 1 and current dot next is equals to 2. Okay, so sorry, 2. So 2 is equals to 2. So you need to check here. Okay, then you need to remove if condition is true. And you, how can you remove? You just jump the node 3. Okay, so 1 dot next 3, this one, current dot next to the next. Okay, so guys, similarly you can do with another linked list or another element. I hope you got it. Bye bye, take care.